Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is hafiy Zainuddin. Number metric 26DUP19F1033. Okay, today I want to talk about scuba diving. Scuba diving certification is a diving certification or sea card is a document, usually a wallet-sized plastic card, recognizing that an individual or organization authorized to do so certifies that's the bears as complete a course of training as required by the agency issuing the card. This is assumed to represent a defined level of skill and knowledge in underwater diving. Diver carry a qualification record or certification card which may be required to prove their qualification when booking a dive trip, hiring scuba equipment, filling diving cylinders, or in the case of professional diver, seeking employment. Okay, next is to get a diving license, you have to be aged 10 years or older, and second, medically fit for diving, and third is know the basic of swimming. Scuba diving course in Malaysia cost between 1,000 or 2,000 depending on the package you sign up for. Many package come inclusive of the essential like accommodation, meals, and other fees, so you don't have to worry about planning your trip. Okay, next is cost typically come inclusive of your course material or book and theory session, confined open water session, open water dive, and last instructor fees. Next is professional courses. Professional Association of Diving Instructor atau dikenali sebagai PADI is the world's largest dive training organisation, offering much respected and sought after dive credential. Okay, first is discover scuba diving, second open water diver, third advanced open water diver, next emergency first response, rescue diver, and next dive master, and river liberator, air diluence deco diver course, and last is other specialty courses. Next is scuba diving equipment and accessory. Okay, first is diving mask and snorkel, iaitu topeng mata, and second is dry suit or wet suit, iaitu baju renang. Yang ketiga, yang third is scuba glove, sarung tangan. Yang keempat, four is fins, five scuba tank, and next is regulator, and last is compass. Okay, next is scuba diving communication, iaitu cara untuk kita berkomunikasi semasa scuba diving. Okay, first is the first hand signal the most scuba diver learn is the okay hand signal. Join the thumb and index finger to form a loop and extend the third, fourth, and fifth finger. This signal can be used as both a question and a response. The okay sign is a demand response signal, meaning that if one diver asks another diver if he is okay, he must respond with either an okay. Signal is written or with the communication that something is wrong. The okay hand signal should not be confused with the thumbs up signal, which in scuba diving means end the dive. Okay, the second is a symbol for not okay or problem. Scuba diver communicate a problem by extending a flattened hand and rotating it slowly side to side. Similar to how many people signal so In a normal conversation, a diver communicating a problem underwater should then point to the source of the problem using his index finger. The most common use of the problem hand signal is to communicate an ear equalization problem. All student dive learn the ear problem since before they enter the water for the first time. And third is a down. The thumbs down hand signal communicate go down or descends underwater. The down signal is used in the first step of the 5-point descent, in which divers agree that they are prepared to begin to go deeper. And 4 is a symbol for slow down. The slow down hand signal is another basic signal that all student dive learn before their scuba dive. The hand is held out flat and motion downward. Instructor use this signal to tell enthusiastic students to swim slowly and enjoy the incredible underwater world. Not only does swimming slowly make diving more fun, it also helps to avoid hyperventilation and other dangerous underwater behavior. And last is a symbol for to stop. The diver typically communicate stop in one of two ways. The first method, common in recreational diving, is to hold up a flat hand, palm forward as a traffic cop word. Okay, next is how to clear mask for diving. If you have a particularly float mask, here is how you can clear it underwater. Okay, first is inhale deeply through your mouth and get a decent lung full of air. Give the button seal of your mask on your left lens a gentle lift with your left thumb and index finger so a little water can come in. Then place it back on your face. And third is perform the same step on your right lens, but remember to use your right thumb and index finger when lifting the seal. Place it back on your face after removing it. And 4 is press the top ridge of your mask firmly to your forehead by slowly opening the bottom seal and blowing hard through your nose. And 5 is tilt your head back slightly, looking up while exhaling through your nose. This step should help the air you blow out to push the water out of the mask. Okay, that's all. Thank you, madam.